Let's combine like terms. Remember, we combine constants with constants, and we combine coefficients of terms that have the same variable. That's how we know that they are the same type. Problem number 1 says 3x plus 1 plus 7x plus 2. Step 1 says to identify like terms. Well, I have 4 terms in this problem. I have 3x plus 1 plus 7x plus 2. Those are the 4 terms of the expression. Well, we have a 3x, so we're looking for other terms that also have a variable of x. These would be the same type as 3x. And we have 7x in the third term. So the first term and the third term are like terms. Let's take a look at the next term, which is plus 1. Are there any other constants? Yes, the last term, plus 2, is also a constant. So we see here that every term has another term that is like it. The first and the third term, and the second and the fourth term of this expression. How did we identify like terms? In problem 1, we identified like terms by recognizing that we had a variable x term and looking to see if any of the other terms were also a variable x term, and the third term was just like the first one. We also had a constant term. The fourth term and the second term are both constant terms, so now we know which terms we can combine. Step 2. Combine like terms. To combine terms with the variable, we are going to add the coefficients of those terms. So we need to combine 3 plus 7 to find out the value of the x term. 3x plus 7x becomes 10x. That's 3 plus 7 equals 10, and we keep the variable of x on it. Now that we have combined the variable term, let's combine the constant term. 1 plus 2 equals 3, so we will put 10x plus 3 as our final expression. These two terms cannot be combined because they are not the same type. One is a variable term and the other is a constant term. These do not combine together. How did we combine like terms? After step 1, we had already identified which terms were the like terms. So in step 2, to actually combine the like terms, we added together the coefficients of the variable term and got 10x, and we added together the constants to get 1 plus 2 equals a plus 3, and our final answer was 10x plus 3, and we were done because we know that we cannot combine these two final terms. They are not like terms. You are now ready to combine like terms in problem number 2.